Sunrise burning through the Georgia pines, wheels keep turning mile after mile, back roads humming with that old chain song, with my handlebars pointed toward the dawn. Small town diners and sweet iced tea, farm fields rolling like a painted sea. Every hill says, hey, you ain't done yet, but I'm chasing freedom, and I'm a solid bet. Right across Georgia, let the tires sing through the red clay roads in the early spring, from the Blue Ridge Mountains down to the coastal tide. Got a southern wind and this bike to ride, pedal through the heat and the pouring rain. Every mile takes away a little pain. Right across Georgia, heart open wide, just me and the road on this long bike ride. Saw an old church standing all weathered and white, heard the crickets playing in the warm moonlight, met some strangers cheering from a pickup bed. Keep on rolling was what they said. My legs are on fire, but my spirit's strong. Every county road pulls me along. There's something sacred in these spinning wheels, and the quiet truth that the highway reveals. Right across Georgia, let my tires sing through the red clay roads in the early spring, from the mountains high down to the coastal tide. Got the southern wind and this bike to ride, pedal through the heat and the pouring rain. Every mile takes away a little pain. Right across Georgia, heart open wide, and just me and the road on this long bike ride. When the sun drops low and the shadows fall, you learn how little you really need it all. A good strong chain and a faithful friend and a road that never really ends. Right across Georgia, hear the people smile. Every town welcomes you another mile, under neon signs and the stars above, rolling through a state full of grit and love. And when my wheels finally slow someday, I'll still hear those southern highways say, right across Georgia, just ride on through. Right across Georgia, let the road change.